Hey everybody, this is Ashmit and this is Python tutorial number 2 for absolute beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. So hopefully all of you guys over here that came and selected this video, first of all thank you to you, and hopefully you practiced all this code that I talked about in the previous video. So go check that out if you haven't already. Uh, Okay, so today we are gonna do some advanced things, such as uh, how to input things inside. Like suppose I keep this is this is an input machine. Now this right here is a variable, a whole a very big variable. And when practicing advanced code, l- like you're doing, like if you get on with this and on with this, then you need to do this. You can't just put in a equals. You just need to do this, so that you don't get confused later on when you're writing your code. So first of all, then you need to write uh, this and just this and 1 minute. Looks like I forgot the code on my own. Yeah, it was something like this. Input, input, uh, uh, enter your name. So this is basically asking for the input, that what you put in inside this. If you put in something like your name or something, obviously you will put that in. So then you just need to do this. Print your name is to make it more attractive, like not attractive, to make it more understandable and relatable. So then print. Then another cool feature in Visual Studio Code is if you type in TIS, TII, like what is the name of this variable in short. So then you can just tab and auto complete this. And that is a real lifesaver, trust me. So then put in your name, enter your name. Now I am entering Ashmit, and my name is Ashmit. All right. So that is the thing. That is why Python is the best language ever. It allows you to do things like these. It allows you to do this at a beginner level when you're an absolute beginner. Trust me, Python is the best language and versatile. So stay tuned if you want to learn more Python, I guess. So now you basically know how to input things inside, and you just need to play around with it a little bit. So then hopefully you have played around with the input things. When I was learning Python, when I was learning this particular topic, I played around with it a lot. Like trust me, a lot. And suppose you do things uh, like suppose we want to create something like a machine, an addition machine. Let me call it that. A good name deserves fame. Addition machine. Addition machine. So now then, you just need to do this. This is like I can do A also, it doesn't matter much. A equals this input two curly brackets and then just write the. Now a very important thing that you need to do at first is make it accept a particular thing, a particular variable that is integer. There are two types of variables in Python and in any other programming language, that are integers and strings. So you need to do this, and There are many others also. Integers, like they have many other types, like floating point numbers. Trust me, this is very much fun. The first number, I'm just writing the short form. Now, because I'm a lazy one, I'm just gonna copy this and just write the second number. Control V. No, I did not copy this because I don't know what to do, honestly. Uh, so now you just write, you just create two variables, A and B, and now you write the second number. All right, I'm sorry if this is taking way too long for you, but I am what I am. All right. So the sum of the two numbers is, and then you just need to add a comma to separate the thing. A plus B. Now you're officially done. Now it will work. Let's run this thing. Let me just do this for a minute, and just kill all the things so that the console gets so that the console is clear again. So first of all, I will enter 123. Then I will enter 123. See, the answer is 246. Or if you put in simpler numbers such as 5 and 5, the answer is 10. So this is proof that this works. Let me just comment all this out, and that's what we are gonna basically do in this whole tutorial. We're gonna create OP machines that do things for us. We use our brains for it, so it's not like it's cheating. So now I want to tell you another thing, that is formatting the document. Now to format the document, just need to like go here. Now you just need to press format document, and it will format all of it for you. Now this is very useful for us coders. I can't really call myself a programmer because I have not completed the whole course. I'm just doing it and making videos about it. Now that is a particular reason that you should leave this video, but do not, because I'm gonna make more OP content for you guys. Alright. That was too much talking. Alright. So let's do it. Let's create another machine. That is the percentage machine. Now the percentage machine in particular, it is a very helpful machine, trust me. Because if you do this something like this, and you notice, right, whenever we comment a thing out like a variable, the variable is defined, but whenever we comment about it out, it gets erased from the Python code. The, the like it is not defined. It is, we have to define it again. That's why it's not throwing me up with an error. All right. So a equals input, a equals int input. Now tell me if you figured it out before me in the comment section below. Input, enter the denominator, enter the numerator more appropriately. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I just gotta go with what my instincts say about this code. Alright, so now then you just need to do this, like you need to create another variable, copy the same things inside, I suppose, int input, and I'm too lazy to copy it again. I'm so lazy that I can't even copy a thing. Enter. Now this is required as well as not required, because whenever you do this, you have to enter the denominator because I've not yet created a journalized formula for this that you can do it with any denominator. So you have to go with 100. Let me write in brackets. Have to go with 100. Now we just need to do this and print the percentage is is I'm a slow typer. Let's be honest. A get the 100 into B. Now this right here is gonna work. Enter the numerator that is 34, 100. The percentage is 34. Now this proves it that this is correct. This is OP. This and I think I figured it out how to make a journalized formula for this. Kind of. I don't really know if this will work, but we have to try. You have to go with your gut. Input. Now we're just gonna make the the enter the the enter any denominator, something like that. Denominator. Now we just gotta replace this with this. A into C at this right here is still not giving the error. So we gotta try it. It can be log also FYI. So if I do 123 out of 1,000, so I here have done a mistake. I have to just erase this, I suppose. No, I don't understand. Well, what can I do now? You gotta use the logic really. Have to think about it. See, I have to just do something. There will be times when you will be encountered by errors like this, when you will not understand what is going on around you. But still, enter, I have, it's totally correct. I figured it out. Kind of. I don't really know what will happen. Will I get enough views or something? I don't really know. So, if I do this, enter any, what is that called? Enter anything. I don't really know the term. That dividend, it's something like that from which you divide the things. So just gotta use it really. And it's showing me up with an error. How unfortunate. Wow. Just wow. Well then, till I figure it out, I'm not going to just stop recording. I'm going to do it, and after that, I'm going to do all the things. So 123. Uh, let's just try it. Wow, it worked. Voila, it worked. I created the journalized one. It worked. It worked. See, this is the things that you have to learn from coding itself. In IRL, you would be faced by very, uh, you would be faced, uh, you would face many problems like this, but you still have to tackle it. You still have to do it. And I did it. I did it. Oh, I just gave my headphone a swing. So, this is Ashmit, and without any further ado, let's end this video and be sure to practice and subscribe. Well, I have a creative idea right now. And wait a minute, just gonna create a variable called UI equals uh, um, input, enter the number of likes likes you expect from the viewers. Uh, and then you need to print UI, print, print, uh, well, you will get UI, UI, like that. And then you will get, I'll put a colon here. And now I expect 100 likes. Oh, it's that code is also working at the same time. It interrupted. Yeah, just do this. Nope. This why. Yeah, now this is working. I expect at least 100 likes and I will get 100 likes. So be sure to like this video. This is Ashmit and we'll catch you in the next one.